Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the modifier keys on your macOS device. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so changing the modifier keys on your Mac allows you to change some of the common keys that are used for keyboard shortcuts or modifying the system, such as Command, Option, Control, Shift, and Escape, to then act as other functions on your computer. This can even include changing the function of caps lock in some cases. So to do this, all you need to do is go to System Settings and open that up. Then scroll right to the bottom and you'll find the keyboard. So click on keyboard. And then when you're in keyboard, click on keyboard shortcuts. Once it opens this menu, you can then go down to modifier keys. And you can see it says here, for each modifier key listed below, choose the action you want it to perform from the pop-up menu. And you can see you've got a lot of options here about what they can do. So for example, I can change the function of caps lock down to something such as escape. I could also change the function of command key to then be caps lock, and I can flip it around like so. So you can do that for any of these, and you can make them perform different things than they originally come programmed as. So this is really helpful. And then at any point, if you end up making a bit of a mess of this and you've changed it up so much and you just want to go back to the originals, you can go down to the bottom where it says restore defaults, and you can click that and it will restore it back to the original defaults. So you can also change the keyboard as well between the USB receiver or the Apple keyboard as well. So that's really helpful. And also I have made videos about how to change other things in the keyboard settings, such as some of the app shortcuts. So if you'd like to see that video, I'll leave that linked up in the cards and in the description below. But today we're just focusing on modifier keys, and I hope this has been helpful in giving you some great success in changing the modifier keys on your macOS device. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other video suggestions for me, because I'm more than happy to make those if you'd like to see them. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.